Hi, good morning students. How are you all? I hope everyone doing well. So in this video we are going to continue the vocabulary which we started in the previous video. Okay, fine. So let's see here. Pick out from the text the examples that supports these attributes. So attributes means character. So in the previous video we found some of the words which are describing Nixar's character, and now we should find out the textual line of these attributes. Okay, see, first attribute is positive. So positive means textbook example, in spite of his disability he has become great. You know something we discussed already about positive. Positive means the person who maintains confidence and hope. So here Nixar overcame his disability. In spite of his disability, he became a great person. So because of that positiveness, because of that positive thinking, he became a great person in his life. So it is a textual example of this positive. And second thing, optimistic. So we already discussed what is the meaning of optimistic. The person who believes good things will happen in the future. So here, optimistic. Though he is disabled, he doesn't lose hope. He says to others, if I fail, I try again and again and again. See, so as a disabled person, so he is a disabled, but he doesn't lose hope. So Nixar doesn't lose hope. Basically, as usual, he made a dream and he worked hard for that to achieve, and finally he achieved. So that's why Nixar, what he is saying here, if he gets failure, definitely he will try again and again and again. So if we also, whenever we get a failure in our life, we should keep trying on that same work, then definitely it will get solution at a point of time. That we have to believe very carefully. Okay, look at the next one, generous. So already we discussed generous word meaning also. The person who is willing to spend his time with others. So let us see the textual example. Now he spends most of his time delivering speeches all over the world. So basically Nixar spent his most of the time in his life to giving speeches to all people. So he motivated number of persons with his motivational speeches. So he traveled to number of countries and he given a wonderful speech to all of them, and he made them to get some realization about themselves. So it is only happened by Nixar. So that's why we are calling him, he is a generous person. Next, fourth one, confident. Confident, textual example. Though he has no limbs, he gains faith and hope and try to give them to others. You know something, we know very well about Nixar. Nixar doesn't have arms and legs, but without having arms and legs, he gained faith about himself and he maintained great hope. So what he learned, and he tried to give them that kind of qualities to others. So it is our textual example for this attribute. Next, fifth one, smart. So already we discussed it. Smart means clever. So here the textual example is, he appears to be smart and shows his cleverness in learning things. Look dear students, everyone, they have their own individuality and they have their own way to learn things. So here also he appears to be smart and shows his cleverness in learning things. So Nixar won't learn things normally. He always shows his special appearance in learning things. So that is his quality. Okay. Next, sixth one, sociable. Already we discussed about this word meaning also. The person who maintains friendly nature The person who maintains friendly nature with others, we call such people sociable persons. Now the textual meaning here, he enjoys being with others by delivering speeches, playing football, golf, surfing, etc. See, Nick sir always enjoys, he's getting enjoy being with others by delivering speeches. So he has given number of speeches and playing football and golf with others. He is getting all this. So he maintained a wonderful friendly nature with all of them. So that's why we are calling him sociable person. And next, seventh one, courageous. Courageous textual meaning is, in spite of Nick's disability, he doesn't let the details stop him. You know something, Nick sir is basically a disabled person, but that disability not stop him to achieve his aim. Basically, Nick sir made a dream like us, and he worked hard for that, and finally he achieved. But that disability did not stop him to achieve his dream. So, and he plays football. So, he is very courageous person. He plays football. Basically, disabled people won't take their interest in anything. But Nick sir is not like that. So he is very courageous person, he is very brave person. That's why he learned football and he played football with his neighbors and friends. And he plays golf, swims and surfs. And he delivered number of motivational speeches also. He delivers motivational speeches. So how all this doing Nick sir? Because of his braveness. Braveness also is one of the best quality to make him great in his life. Okay? Next, eighth one, reliable. So he stands as an example for all the disabled persons by performing well throughout his life. You know something? Whenever we see a disabled person, we can definitely underestimate him. But through his life, Nick sir motivated all the disabled people and he gave them a great courage. Definitely all the disabled people who listened Nick sir's story, definitely they will get some realization and they will maintain strong ideas in themselves. Definitely after listening his life story, definitely they can believe themselves, we can definitely do something great in our life as well as Nick sir. So in that way they are thinking today. But how they are thinking? Because of Nick sir. Nick sir struggled a lot in his life, but he bared a number of difficulty situations in his life, and he overcame all them, and finally he became a successful person in his life. So his life story, inspiration and motivation to all the disabled people. That's why here the line is, he stands as an example for all the disabled persons by performing well throughout his life. So Nick sir performed excellent events in his life. So those definitely inspire all the disabled people. Then after listening his life story, they can believe themselves. We are also able to do anything in the world. We are not unfit to do. So all these days we thought in that way. But after we listened to Nick sir's life story, definitely we realized something and we can definitely do everything. So in that way, disabled people will think and take a decision on themselves. So next, ninth one, independent. He independently performs the things and decides what to do. Example, playing football and golf, swimming and etc. So he is leading independent life and he is performing everything independently. So now Nick sir is not dependable person. It's only because of his parents, of course, but he is performing all things and decides himself what to do, what not to do. So Nick sir completely able to take a decisions in his life with his own. So he is not a dependable person. So he is playing football with his own and playing golf with his own and swimming with his own. So he is not taking others' help to do all these things. That's why independent attribute belongs to Nick sir. So this independent word describes Nick sir's character. Next, 10th one, obedient. He is obedient in accepting unlucky birth. So basically, after he read that newspaper article, then he realized why God given this kind of life him. So he accepted his unlucky birth with the completely full-heartedly. So he obeyed everybody. So that's why he is obedient in accepting unlucky birth. Next, valiant. So valiant means the person who maintains braveness in difficult situations also. So he has achieved success and reached a great position in his life. So of course we know very well this about Nick sir. Nick sir is a great achiever. He achieved success and reached a great position in his life. So how it is possible for him? So because of his great determination and willpower, and as well as courageous and dedication, determination, all these characters made him great, and he achieved his success and he reached a great position in his life. That's why today he becomes an international symbol for success. So today how he became an international symbol for success only because of his dedication, determination and willpower. So my dear student, if we maintain these kind of qualities in ourselves, we can definitely also become a successful person. We can also achieve our success in life, and we can also reach our great position in our life. Okay? Next, 12th one, creative. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin. So it is not possible to play everyone. He is so creative person. That's why he hold that stick under his chin and he can play golf with that. So how it is possible by him? Because he is a very creative person. That's why this word describes Nixon's character. Next, last one and 13th one, level-headed. He judges well when he knows about his abilities and tries to bring them out. So basically everyone has to know about their ability, what they can do, what they cannot. So definitely whenever he wants to do a work, definitely he will think about first his ability. Can I do this? Can't I? So if he believes in himself, definitely he can he bring out that. Otherwise he definitely give up that work. So these are the attributes and our textual examples of those attributes, my dear students. And I'm hoping you can definitely understand all this. And one more thing I would like to remind very importantly, that is you have to write all these textual examples in your textbook. You have a table, and please go with your textbook and you just note down all these textual examples what I have written on the board. Okay, my dear students. So I'm hoping definitely you enjoyed this video, and we'll meet again in our next video. Until then, see you and have a nice day everyone.